Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and we're in another crawl space. Now, this one we didn't really do a full encapsulation on. The customer didn't want us to, but they wanted to do some upgrades to manage the moisture in the crawl space before they had a large problem. So I'm going to go ahead and take you guys through another walkthrough and show you what we did here to help eliminate the majority of all of their moisture problems, probably all of them, to be honest, but not a quite full encapsulation like we normally do. So that way, if you guys don't want to go through a full encapsulation, want to start doing things to help make a drastic change in controlling your excessive moisture, give us a call. But let's go ahead and take a walkthrough real quick. Okay, so here we are in this crawl space, and as you can see, we didn't actually wrap the walls. Now, we did seal all the foundation vents properly, right? I'll take you over this way real quick where I have a little bit more room. So, there's no mold growth in here yet, and the customer is really getting ahead of everything. So this is how you properly seal a foundation vent. You have an air sealer that's blocking off everything with the foam board. Now this customer really just wanted like a little bit better than 6 mil, 9 mil vapor barrier put on the ground and not actually sealed to the walls or anything. We actually did anchor it to the foundation walls, and we did seal that all the way around there. And we actually upgraded him from a 9 mil to 36 mil vapor barrier. So you can see it looks much nicer here. We got our April Air 1850 installed here. And we're waiting for the electrician to come in and get everything hooked up. So as you can see, we got the cord right there. Until that happens, I think they come on Friday. But we got lights in here as well. But you can see how nice this job is. I mean, these type of poured foundation walls don't let a lot of moisture through it. So therefore, encapsulating them, you don't really need to do from a moisture control standpoint that much. Whereas a CMU block foundation, they're more semi-porous and allow a lot more moisture to come through, and that's when you start seeing the efflorescence on everything. But here is a finished job of a not even really what we would consider an encapsulation. Some companies do consider this an encapsulation when you do it like this. We don't consider it a full encapsulation until we're all the way up the walls, 3 inches below the termite shield. But, you know, this is what another one of our moisture control jobs look like. Hopefully you can see how nice everything is. And if you have any moisture control issues in your crawl space, yard drainage that's needed, or mold remediation, or even burst pipes this winter, from one thing or another, give HydroHero a call at 302-321-7077 and find us on the web at hydrohero.com.